Okay, so this is your Earth Histories assessment for March. We're not in March, May 20th. Um, Today you're going to use your science time to complete the following assessment on Earth's History Unit. This is your only activity today, so please take your time referring back to the old lessons if needed. So essentially, it's an open notes test or assessment. So use the resources that you've collected over the past couple lessons. So you'll be entering your first name, your last name. You get a free point if you enter your period, your class period correctly, because some of us are having some issues with that. I don't really know why. There is a motivational video from Mrs. Mealy. For those of you that have her, you recognize her. For those of you that don't, Mrs. Mealy is another one of our 8th grade earth science teachers, so enjoy that motivational video. And then we'll continue on to the next section. So section 1, question 1. Place the following in the correct order from earliest to most recent. So from oldest to youngest, if you want to think of it that way. These can be found on your day 1 notes. Is it A, oxygen began to accumulate in the atmosphere, oceans formed, first land plants, and then extinction of dinosaurs? B, oceans formed, oxygen began to accumulate in the atmosphere, first land plants, extinction of dinosaurs? Or C, first land plants, oceans formed, oxygen began to accumulate in the atmosphere, and then the extinction of dinosaurs. Number 2, how did the Earth divide into layers? This is from your day 2 and 3 notes. A, soon after it formed, Earth melted and the densest elements sank deep into Earth's interior. B, as Pangea broke apart and moved the entire Earth, even its interior. Or C, the Earth divided during the Big Bang. Here's a little hint. Don't pick letter C. Number 3, the age of the Earth is closest to, again, this is found in your day 2 and 3 notes. Letter A, 100,000 years old, B, 2 million years old, or C, 4.5 billion years old. And the last question in this section, these chemicals are building blocks of life, and life could not exist without them. Again, from your day 2 and 3 notes. A, carbonates, B, nitrates, C, amino acids. So now we are moving on to section 2. Number 1 in section 2. Which of the following evidence from the Anthropocene would not be recorded directly in the rock record? These are from your day 4 notes. A, trace elements from nuclear testing, B, pavement from roads, or C, the yearly mutations of influenza virus. Number 2, what do scientists think caused the Permian extinction? Again, from your day 4 notes. A meteor collided with Earth. B, human beings started changing the Earth faster than nature. Or C, Pangea came together, changing ocean currents and climate drastically. Number 3, which of the following is not a boundary defining event? Again, your day 4 notes. A, first life, B, Permian extinction, or C, all of these choices are boundary defining events. Now we are on section 3. Trilobites existed on Earth before dinosaurs. This statement is a result of blank dating. These can be found in your day 5 notes. Here's a little hint. Is there an exact date given? Think about that. Think about the timeline that you created. Is it A, relative dating, B, absolute dating, or C, none of the above? Number 2, with modern technology, we can measure the amount of radioactive isotope in a rock or fossil to determine its age. This is an example of blank dating. Again, your day 5 notes. A, relative, B, absolute, or C, both relative and absolute. You're looking at the image above for the next question. According to the law of blank, the rock layer at the top of the diagram above is youngest. These are your day 6 notes. So is it the law of original horizontality, B, the law of superposition, or C, the law of cross-cutting relationships? Sorry, I'm a little tongue-tied today. Okay, moving on. This question is for the image above. According to the law of blank, the rock layers above were originally formed completely parallel to the ground. This can be found in your day 6 notes. A, original horizontality, B, the law of superposition, or C, the law of cross-cutting relationships. Ooh, I did that one better. Okay, next one. The law/principle of cross-cutting states that these can be found in your day 6 notes. A, the present is the key to the past. B, a fault that affects a sedimentary rock is younger than the rock it breaks. Or C, sediments are deposited in flat horizontal layers. Section 4. You are looking at the image above. You are placing the rock layers in order. So it reads, the rock layers above formed in this order, from oldest to youngest. Please look carefully, as some options are quite similar. These can be found in your day 6 and 7 notes. I want you to remember when you're completing this question that solid, bolded, jagged line represents erosion. So is it A, M, K, J, I, H, G, erosion, L, F, E, D, C, erosion, B, A? B, is it M, K, J, I, H, L, G, erosion, F, E, D, C, erosion, B, A? Or is it C, M, K, J, I, H, L, F, E, D, B, A, G, erosion, C, erosion? Now for the next question, you're looking at the image above. It says the image above is a cross section of the Grand Canyon. Which of the following was the last to form? So which is the youngest? Which is at the very top? Is it the A, schist? Is it B, bright angel? Or is it C, red butte? Section 5. You're looking at this image for the next question. It reads, using the image above, which organism existed closest to modern times? So which organism is at the most top layer of this diagram? Is it A, the Euryturbids, B, the nautilids, or C, the seed ferns? Next question. Index fossils allow geologists to do what? These are from your day 8 notes. Is it A, determine why some organisms become extinct, B, match rocks of the same age in different regions, or C, identify organisms that did not leave fossil evidence behind? For the next question, you're looking at these 3 outcrops, outcrop A, B, and C. Using the image above, which of the following is a reason why fossil letter Z would not make a good index fossil? These can be found in your day 8 notes. Is it A, the fossil was not widespread, B, the fossil lived during too many time periods, or C, neither? Letter Z would make a great index fossil. And again, you're looking at letter Z. Section number 6, which is an easy section. Which of the following is your favorite unit in earth science? Meteorology, astronomy, plate tectonics, earthquakes, erosion, or Earth's history? So best of luck. Please email me or Mr. McCarthy if you have any questions as you are working. We are here to help. And please, please, please take your time, use your resources, because this is an assessment grade. Have a great day.